Hello everyone. So previously we checked how we have created the lifecycle project area. So in the lifecycle project area, it refers to the project area which are created in the application of workflow management, DNG, that is the CCM means workflow management, DNG means requirement management, and QM means test management. Okay, so in these three projects at a one go we are creating a three projects, that is called as a lifecycle project area. So here you can see we have created demo lifecycle project, change management, demo lifecycle project in the requirement management, and lifecycle project in a quality management. You can rename the project area. Okay, so that's not a problem. And this is the LP application from which we have created this. Okay, so here, so in a three dash. Okay, here you can browse here which are the applications which we have installed. Okay, so these are the three we have, the applications which we have installed, and these are the administrative tab. The one is which we already seen, that is the JTS admin tab, and this is the application, that is the lifecycle project administration. So whatever the lifecycle projects are created, that settings is handled by LPA application. So here is, you can see JTS LPA projects. So here you can see three projects that we have created. Okay, and here one thing is, whatever the templates we do have, you can see the multiple templates we do have as a predefined things. Okay, and in this sample projects, if you want us any sample project area, like whichever the application we are using, how the standards to refer the information, how to fill the information in data, if you want, then you can create the sample project area as well. So for example, I'm creating on a sample project area, so we will create a one banking project area. Okay, so which is called as a sample project of a money that matters sample. Okay, or a JKE banking project area. So name of the project area is JKE banking. So here you can get the basic standards to follow, or to put the information in all the applications, and how the traceability is maintained across the RMQM and CCM. Okay, so I'm just selecting that sample project area, and I'm creating, click on creating, just click on I have read the understood the application and create. Once you click on this, the sample project area will start creating. So just wait until this happens. Okay, so meanwhile I will just go you through the, this is the JS admin page we have created. Okay, and as I mentioned, okay, life cycle is the project area where it is created in the all three applications, that is called as a life cycle project area. And simple project area means, oh, for the only one application you are creating one single project area. Okay, so for example, if you want to go here for the CCM application, I'm going for the CCM admin. Okay, so single normal user can't do this activity, as I'm having the JAS privileges, so only I can do that activity. Okay, so via admin. So in the project area, if suppose if I click on the active project area, here I can see this demo life cycle, and you can see here that JK banking is created now, but still it is taking time. So meanwhile we will just check how to create the only single component project area. So here we'll try to create only CCM application project area. So in the project area, CCM admin URL, in the project area tab, click on the project area, not on the lifecycle project area. In the project area, get application specific demo project CCM. Okay, here you can mention the, here you can give the project area name actually, then which is the project that you're working on, then summary, then description of the project, and here whatever the templates we have seen, the formal money that matters, that is the JK banking process template. Okay, and TO2 and save. For example, if I'm having the money that matters sample project, I can refer that as well. So these are the members and administrators that we can see once we create the project as well. So once you fill this detail, click on a save. Okay, so once you click on it, see here, this is the application specific, the normal project area you can see here. Okay, so these are the some management admin activities that we can see later in the RTC project area. Once you click on the explore project, you can see this is the project area which we have created for the only CCM application. Okay, so it's loading its dashboard, as I referred is the JK banking as a template. So you can refer, if you want to start it from the scratch, you can refer the Scrum or formal template as well. Okay. So as it's taking a time, let's look at this. See here, this is the application project area. This is the lifecycle project area which I have created, and this is the sample project area with the tool itself provides. Okay, with the all data and all. You can see here in the DNG, you can see two projects are there which we have created as a lifecycle. Whichever I have created in a CCM application, I can't see the lifecycle project for it. It's only a application specific project area, so I can't see it, right? In this as well, in the engineering test management, that is the RQM, you can see I can't see this CCM project because it's only application specific. Same like in the doors as well, I can create my own project. Okay, so for example, if I go here to browse or to go into the DNG application, you can directly go via URL as well, or you can go with this as well. Okay, click on this project area. So we'll wait. So see, once I'm click on this project area, I am redirected to RM/web. Okay, so which will show me a dashboard of the RM project area. So this is the RM project area, okay, which is the lifecycle project area itself. And if suppose I want to create the project area, I can come here in a setting tab, click on the manage this project area, and this here in the project area, I can click here as a project area. So only the DNG related project area will call DNG application specific project area. So depending on your use, you can create the project area if you want the traceability between the all three applications. So better to go with the lifecycle project area. And if suppose you are only using the specific application, so I recommend here only go with the specific application project area. Okay. So it's still going on 75%. So meanwhile, if you want to access, okay, I'm applying the project template. So first time when you are creating any project area, it will ask you to apply this template, which template you want to apply as a sample data. For the DNG only, it will ask. And if you want to move for the QM application, so you can go via this as well, or you can go with this URL https://localhost 9443. Then for this QM is the root context, and then web. Okay, in the DNG you can go via, for the test management you can go via this as well by clicking on this. See here, you can see QM/web. I can get this JK banking project area which I have created as a sample. Okay, so this is the QM or a test management dashboard. Here this is the RM, that is the DNG dashboard, and here you can see CCM application dashboard. So I will just browse through it. Okay, so see, this is the dashboard of the CM application workflow management. Then this is the RM. Here you can say DNG, and here you can say QM application dashboard. Okay, it will take time for the sample projects as there is a lot of data inside it, so it's taking a time. So once you get a time, just explore the JKE banking project area, because there are a lot of things that they have filled it, like sample work items. You can see the sample artifacts, all the traceability and all will be established there only. So go through that sample data. Here you can see the QM application. So from the next lecture, we will go start for the QM application first. Okay, so how to create the test artifacts, and how to import the existing Excel data into the QM application, that we can also see. Okay, so this is all about the entire CLM application, or a ELM, currently we called it as engineering lifecycle management. So it all about, you can say, engineering lifecycle management is the collection of engineering test management DNG workflow, and we can also add the JRS application or the supportive applications as well. And Rhapsody as well, which is a design manager component is there, which is GUI based. That also we can add here. But as we are looking for the QM and DNG and RTC, currently I install only these three applications. See, now this has been finished. Okay, so I will just walk you through about the what is there inside the JK banking. So once I click on here in the CCM application, you can see in the dashboard these kind of things we can customize. Okay, so here as per the banking data, it is showing the information, okay, in a graph. Say in this build and management thing, whatever the builds are succeeded, we do have ASCM components and build and configuration components. So depending on that, you can add the widget here and you can show the data here which are successful or not. So in the CCM configuration, whichever the work items are there, you can track those work item, modified work item. Here, whichever the different team in the project area, we do have a different teams, so we can show that teams as well. The project areas means in the DNG how many projects areas we do have. Work item query in sense we can fetch the data from directly from the query. So there is one GUI where you can build your query to fetch the data. Okay, for example, how much work items or how many tasks you have created from last past 8 days. That data you can get. What are the blocked work items or a tasks? Suppose any developer wants to check how many tasks are assigned to me, then he can create a query at a one time, and on the dashboard he can check the data. So that's it all about the ELM engineering lifecycle management project areas. That is a lifecycle project area and a single project area. So thank you so much.